Hello, artists. In order to finish your quilt paper today that we started last time, we're going to use crayons first, and then for some of the patterns and like your face and your pillow, and then you're going to use watercolor paints to fill in the rest. So to start with, I'm going to get my crayons out, and this will cause like a resist and give it a different effect than the watercolor paint. And the watercolor paint won't stick to the crayon because of the wax in it. So I'm going to use my crayons to color my face. Ooh, add some nice little rosy cheeks. Color my face, my hair. Going to color my pillow with this as well. I think maybe I'm going to use like a little green pillow. Oops, my green needs some work here. There we go. I'm going to add a nice green pillow. And after I get done with my face and my pillow, I'm going to pick out some patterns that might look nice with some crayon added to it along with the paint. Now, not all my patterns are ones that I can really use crayon on as well, but I'm going to look for ones I can. So like my zigzag, I might do every other zigzag stripe with a crayon and leave the other ones white and paint those in when I'm done coloring. Notice how I'm trying to color in all the white. I'm not just scribbling and leaving a lot of white in there. I'm trying to do my best coloring and fill those in. I think I'm going to go ahead and color these flowers as well. Maybe make them some different colors here. And then color the middle of them. My polka dots are really great to color in with crayon. And then let's see if there's any other patterns. Ooh, this stripes. I could probably do the stripes and fill in that white with watercolor paint later. And maybe these stripes up here. Once you get done with your crayon, what you're going to do is you are going to get out your watercolor paints. And remember again, we do pet, pet, paint, pet, pet, paint, so that we don't tear up our watercolors. And I'm going to fill in the rest. Now when the water is wet, the watercolor paint is wet, I kind of skip around on the paper, give it some time to soak into the paper so that they don't end up bleeding together. So if you notice, I do like one at the top and then I paint one at the bottom, maybe one on the side. It doesn't give it a lot of time, but it is, at least it gives it some time to soak in, so maybe it won't bleed together as much. So kind of go around and pick different sections to paint in at a time. And then I think I'm going to end up painting my sheet in the back as well, because I do like it with white and black polka dots, but I think some color might brighten it up just a little bit. So let me finish painting in my other areas here real fast. Notice how I can still see my crayon and the paint's not covering it up, especially when I do my polka dots here. And I'm going to finish that up, and then I think a nice yellow sheet will look good. When you are done with this, put it on the drying rack to dry, and then find one of the other activities to do until the class is over. Can't wait to see them.